Check out the red Acura emblem. Looks really good.
What's up guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we're going to be installing Acura logo projectors. Check out these little guys. Get a little projector in there and they're gonna project an A onto the ground when we open the door. White A symbol. I've got a number of tools here. You're definitely gonna need a drill. I have a step bit, all your standard panel tools, some snips, scissors, screwdriver, 10mm sockets. I've got an open-ended wrench, a ratchet, and a little nut driver. And then I've got some needle nose pliers just in case. And then it's always good to have some masking tape just in case you need to cover something up to avoid scratching. Since this is an Acura Integra accessory, there are instructions that you can get. I'll put a link to the instructions in the description below. I'll put a link to all the tools that we're using and the product itself.
All right guys, to orient you to the video real quick, the first thing we're gonna do is take off the driver's side door panel. Then we'll be installing that puddle light. We will put the door panel all back together again. Then we'll move to the passenger side. We'll pull that door panel off, install that puddle light. After we put everything back together, we're gonna do a little extra work to turn our puddle lights red. So we're gonna put a little red vinyl film over the projector so that that white A symbol turns red, and we think that'll go really well with all of our red interior lighting. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let us know if you have any questions about this or anything else we got going on. Enjoy.
To get the door panel off, the first thing you need to do is take this piece off here. There we go, look at that. Just got under there a little bit. And then once you're got one out, you can kind of work along the side either with your finger or with your tool. And there's clips kind of along here. This white one, you push the clip in. Now you push the clip down and slides right out. Now we got to take the screw out of the door right here. What you're trying to do is pry up this panel. There's 10 clips around here. We're gonna start at the bottom and work our way up. There's one clip. Once you get one, it's usually easier to get your hand in there. There we go. We got our speaker plug here. We've got our memory seat plug. This is the white LED ambient lighting. We're gonna unplug that. This wire is held on by a clip. You can squeeze that clip. It should come right out like that. Okay, there you have it. The door panel's off. The door panel is marked for the 2 holes we need to drill. This big one is gonna be stepped up to 11mm, and that's for the projector itself. And this other one, we're gonna step up to 6mm. And this one is for the screw that's gonna hold the projector on there. So the first thing we're gonna do is use a push pin to push a hole to mark this X so we can see it from the other side, and then we'll drill through this way. We're just gonna take a push pin and we're gonna go on the X marks the spot, try to get it right in the center and push it through if we can. All right, we got one hole. Only minor damage to my finger. And I'm gonna do the second one. The instructions say to step it up. And I was gonna use a step bit, but I think I am gonna do the small bit. Hopefully that's pretty centered. Now for this one, we're gonna do the 6mm. And I'll step this one up to 6mm. So that one is off center. So I'm gonna try to correct that while I do this. This is actually working pretty good. Now we're gonna take our projector, install it right here. Hopefully it fits pretty good. Okay, that's in there nice and snug. This is the wiring harness. There's this green protection on the wiring harness. That is going to be zip tied right up here. And so we've got our projector in. We're gonna plug in right here. We're gonna just tuck this down here. Now we're gonna take our zip tie and thread it through here. And we are gonna zip tie this wiring harness So the green, the little green protection right where that zip tie is. So we don't have to worry about the wire chafing. And then this will plug right in. Now I'm gonna cut this excess off. The last thing that we gotta do before we put the panel back on is put this aluminum tape. And it shows it basically here. And I'm not really sure what this is about other than I think maybe it offers some kind of shielding or protection about where the plug's gonna plug in. And now we're gonna put the door panel back on and we're just gonna reverse what we had done before. We'll start by plugging this guy in. Got our speaker. Got our memory seat plug here. There we go. Put the little clip in and then plug the LED back in. Start by lining this up on the top. Just make sure I got my wires in there. Okay, good. I'm just gonna go around. There's one. Screw back in here. Get our switch panel plugged back in. 1, 2. Starting in the bottom, just kind of the reverse of what you did. And really make sure they're all in there good. All back together. Yay! Now we're gonna do the passenger side. I'm just trying to get the first pop here. There we go. Slowly pry them up. I'm just gonna try and get my hands under there and pop the first clip. There we go. Real gently. Now on this side, we just have a couple plugs. We got our speaker and our LED. Just like on the driver's side, we're gonna drill our 11mm and 6mm hole right here and here. I'm gonna take my little push pin and I'm gonna try to get it right in the center. Last time, even after I drilled, it was a little bit off, but we were able to correct it. All right, start out with this small drill bit and then I'll step it up from there. How am I center-wise?
Low.
Mediocre. Perfect. And then I'll step this one up. That one is a little low, isn't it? Now I got a different bit this time. Hopefully this one goes a little better. Much better. That's a nice clean hole over here. Not that stir-fried shit on the other side. All right, here's our projector. Okay, we get this lined up. We're gonna get our screws started into our projector. Now we got our little wiring harness here. We know what we're doing now. A little bit quicker. Plug this in. We kind of tuck it in here. Now we are going to get the green right where our zip tie is going to be. Running my zip tie in. And I'm going to see how the wire is already bent, like, so it's set up for you. Just going to get the zip tie started. Before I tighten it down, I'm going to make sure that green is lined up with my zip tie. Now I'm going to trim some of this excess. I'll leave a little bit on there in case I need to take it off, and then again, this aluminum tape that I'm not 100% sure what it's for. I'm gonna put it right here. All right, now this is ready to go back on the car. Now we're gonna put the door panel back on. A little clip. This is for our projector wire. Get this lined up. Logo on the floor. You got to kind of go around, make sure you get all of these. All right, back together. I turned my interior lighting red. So I thought it would be kind of cool if those A's are red on the ground. So I bought this window tint film that's red, and I'm gonna try it out. We got our window tint film from Vivid. I've only used Vivid vinyl stuff. It's affordable. Seems to be pretty decent. Look. Ooh, wow, look at that. How the f do you peel and stick this shit? A strip off here. I'm gonna cut. Apparently this stuff is peel and stick. But how my fat fingers do this, I don't know. Uh-huh. Okay, now I got my little red film. White A symbol. All right. Now I'm just gonna go right up under here and go red A symbol. Okay, now we're gonna put this on the other side. Just gonna like put it right over the little projector here. Last thing I'm gonna do. Last one. I wasn't quite sure if I was gonna do this project, but I decided what the heck, I have all the, what the heck? Who says what the heck anyway? What the heck, Unc? Anyway. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.